Well, so like I said, yesterday was a very different sort of day for me because I was interviewing a whole the whole spectrum of people. So I could even speak to the co-founder of this particular. It's called Veganology.in, and they make like these soaps and chocolates and lip balms, and it's a whole spectrum of products, like my god, you should take a look at the range of soaps. Yeah, I mean, uh, basically the tiny little soaps, they're like really tiny, they look like gemstones, and it's been used all it's been made using all food grade material, like it is completely vegan, it is not tested on animals, it doesn't have all these sulfates and all of that. So I think the closest I can describe it is, if you've seen this Pears soap, right? It's translucent, transparent almost, So the soaps by Veganology also are similar. I mean, now it's the lockdown, so I don't really have the particular. I wish I had those soaps to show you all, but really, yeah, just check it out. It's Veganology.in, and wow, just like wow, and everything, right from the chocolates they make to the, they make a lot of these food items that are with mock meats. So it was so amazing speaking to the co-founder yesterday, and wow, yeah, more power to us vegans, because this is so special. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.